Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair. They sent me this beautiful pre-colored Upart wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy look, y'all. This is a very easy on the go look. When I say easy on the go, I mean about probably 10 minutes to install. So let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with Unice Hair. Everything will be in the description box for this company, y'all. Literally everything, as well as my discount code. You can get money off your purchase when you use my discount code. Let them know that I did send you, y'all. This definitely was a 10 out of 10 for me. It's very easy, very affordable, and very on the go. So yes, y'all, everything will be in the description box. Literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. And I will see y'all in my next video.